like I got a disease. And I'm, feeling so free with my family. We're living our dreams, no greed. And I'm doing what's right, I'm trying not to fight. I'm living this life that I chose for myself. I do it for the health, not for the wealth, no, no. And I'm so high up in the mountains while the prison's overcrowded, the days are being counted. But I stay following the plan, just living off the land, using my own two hands. My own two hands, yeah, Some go green and some of them, well, they go white. Some go left and some of them, well, they go right. But you'll see me, well, I stick to my dreams. 'Cause I believe, yes, I believe we just might save humanity. Whoa, 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 whoa. And I'm so high up in the trees, floating in the breeze, doing what I please. There's no greed, and I'm always planting my seeds. I give them everything they need, they return to me. There's no greed, no greed, no greed, no, no, no greed. And I'm so high up in the mountains, trying to rebuild the fountain for those that I've encountered, lost souls. Nowhere to go, they got nowhere to go. No, no, no. Plastic goblet, maybe brainwashing will stop it. You can feel me full of greed, you can feel me full of fear. You can do his dirty deeds, you can never shed no tears. You can take away my music, you can take away my art. I take it, I use it, a revolution will start, it's done started. Whoa, whoa, look out.